Hello, I'm Xing Tao and my partner is Reha Zhang. So this is the final demo for our final project, Highlight Hub. So the motivation of our project is the challenges currently faced by the online learning platforms. Um, First, we will see that the first challenge is the video length. So we will see many video tutorials are very long and daunting for the learners who need the quick skill acquisition. For example, typically the videos uploaded on YouTube, especially those lectures, are half an hour and a half to like 2 hours long. It's pretty long lectures. And the second challenge is to navigate the content, especially for the review purpose. For example, it is very difficult to like revisit some specific segment or key point of the whole lecture of the online video. You need to go through the video and to search for that. So if the video lacks of detailed content breakdown, it will lead to very time-consuming search. And the third challenge is to understand the new concept. So we always know that when you first exposed to something new, it's very hard to understand the new jargon and the complex context. And if you want to know what like certain concept means, you need to like Google it or search it on other platforms in order to gain a grasp of it. So understanding new concept will be interrupted, and the learning flow will be interrupted due to the need to search for the definition. So here we develop our video highlight hub video platform. Our goal is to enhance learning with highlight hub. Our hub first, we want to have some advanced functionality. So we want to extract the key information from the videos, and we want to provide the learners a concept summary of a very lengthy tutorial. Also, we want to integrate some learning tools. For example, we want to have the instant definition and explanation with our embedded GPT API. This will save time and enhance the understanding of the concept that are like complex and hard to digest. The third thing that we have achieved is to have a personalized learning experience for the users. So we have adaptable explanation based on users' understanding level of the video content. And then based on that, we'll generate different like explanations. Here's are the related words. So currently we have a lot of educational platforms like Coursera, like Khan Academy. So they both have the features like the video transcript. So they offer access to the video transcript, and you can jump to that video clips by clicking that transcript, and which is good. And also for the Coursera, in this case, users can highlight the word by going through the transcript manually and highlight it. But there's like several like weakness for this. For example, you have to manually look for the term that you want to highlight, and there's no tools for you to use that automatically explain the terms for you. You need to search externally. The other limitations is that there's no automated summarization of the transcript and do not provide explanation for the highlighted term.
And now I'll introduce the user journey. We are about to help you to grasp the key concepts and content from your lectures, whether it's from a transcription or it's just a text and a video. Imagine this. While you are watching a video on our platform, you will see buttons and text boxes, and click on this. You will get detailed analysis powered by the OpenAI API in 3 modes. according to the context of lecture and your own level of understanding. Here's how you can start. First is to assess our website. Your first step is to assess our website, which was designed for analyzing educational videos. If you got a video you want to analyze, you can upload it and wait. Then you can choose a video. It's just like browsing the YouTube. Just pick one video you want to watch and start learning. And our video analysis service includes the transcription, the text detection that can extract the text from any slides or images shown in videos, and the summarization is used to help you to catch the essentials without watching the whole thing. Then you can setting your own knowledge level and receiving the stream modes responses. The level 1 is for no technical knowledges. You will get straightforward explanation with simple examples. Level 2 is for basic understanding. They will use the basic technical terms, but nothing will be too complex. Level 3 is for general understanding. We will provide a detailed explanation, assuming you have a little background in this topic. And level 4 is for intermediate knowledge. The explanation are richer, and we will provide a moderate explanation and complex examples. Level 5 is for the experts. We offer a deep dive and complex analysis into this topic.
This is a demo for the Highlight Hub video platform. This is the homepage for our platform, and you can upload your videos through the upload file button. Here I open one of the video we uploaded and play the video. Here you can choose your understanding level based on your understanding of the current video content. For example, if I'm totally unfamiliar with the current content, I can choose the first one. Here, when I click subtitles and caption, it will show the current caption. And if you don't understand the current caption, you can use analyze, and it will give you a detailed explanation of what the current caption is. The second feature is a text detection. It will show you the text that's detected on the current screen, and it will change throughout the time. For example, when I jump to the screen, and you can see these are all the text that detected on the screen. And when you jump to 176 seconds, it will jump to the time that's the keyword that first show up. And if you don't understand the keyword, you can click analyze to analyze the content of the keyword. As you can see, there are some many keywords that show up on the current page. If you don't understand a certain thing, for example, the error, you can search and it will show up over here. And you can also jump to the error that you want to jump to by click this. The third feature is a transcript. So here it will show you the transcript of the whole lecture, and it's very long, so if you want to get a summary of the transcript, you can click the Analyze with GPT-3 and it will generate a short summary of this transcript.
Our platform was based on the cloud service, including the Vercel, AWS, Google Cloud Service, and OpenAI. Our Next.js application is hosted on Vercel. Vercel is a cloud platform designed for deploying a full-stack applications. It offers a convenient way to manage secrets like AWS access key and OpenAI API key. It can ensure the secure public access to our platform. Additionally, the application source code is stored on the GitHub repository, and it can automatically deploy to Vercel through a CI/CD pipeline. First, when the user clicks the Upload File button, our Next.js backend will generate a pre-signed URL, which is used to upload video files directly to our S3 bucket. This process bypasses the need for a traditional service-based upload. It can streamline the process. And for next step, the Next.js will assign a unique identifier UID to each file and stores the file name and file location into a Dynamo database. Once the video is uploaded to S3 buckets, it triggers an event that activates an AWS Lambda function. Lambda function is a serverless service. It means that it can automatically execute code in response to specific events like this. So the Lambda function will perform the several tasks. The first, it will load a Google authentication file from the S3 bucket to obtain the necessary permissions. Then you will transfer the video file to the Google Cloud Storage for further analysis. Next, the Google Video Intelligence API will be called. It will analyze the video content using the machine learning to recognize and understand what's in the video. Finally, the result of the analysis will be sent back to S3 buckets along with the metadata will be stored in the Dynamo database. So user can then open our site. They can play the uploaded video and access related informations like the transcription and the text within the video, which is provided in the structured JSON format file. Within our video page, user can also choose the content and select a level of knowledge, which we call the tiered knowledge. Depending on their choice, the application sends a request to the OpenAI API to get the analysis result for. To evaluate our project, we invite 6 users with different levels of background to test our final production. This approach helps us understand the user satisfaction, and we also use their feedback to improve our prompt. We found a high degree of interaction with the knowledge level feature. User will frequently adjust their settings, actively use this feature to find the most suitable content explanation for their needs. Let's explore the feedback from our users across different knowledge levels. For knowledge 1, users are satisfied with the simple explanations, especially for the example from daily life. This was crucial for engaging new learners and raising their interest. And for level 2, they found the examples were slightly more complex than the first one, and it will introduce some basic applications. For level 3, the content effectively expand their existing knowledge. Examples focus on specific applications or comparisons of a similar concept. And for level 4, users in this group found that the explanation is easy to understand and is also rich in information. This level is ideal for users with a strong relevant background. We found this level is most suitable for these users. They give the highest ratings for this level. And for level 5, explanations at this level can extend the knowledge, compare similar concepts, but we didn't have expert level users. So the other users feel that the explanation in this level is overly complex and verbose. In conclusion, the user likes the level 1 and level 4 most. The following 2 slides will show the output result for different levels. As you can see, level 1 provides example from daily life and is very easy to understand, but the result at level 5 is difficult to read. Level 4 is rich information and also easy to read. This is for the explanation of web server, and this is the information for local attention model.
So for the skills that we learned, we divided according to the course to 3 levels. So for the first level, the basic skill that we learn is the front end and back end techniques. So from the front end, we learned a lot about how to use the Next.js that hosts on the Vercel to render our platform. On the back end, we learned how to use the Next.js API routes, how to integrate with OpenAI and AWS, and also how to automatically do the analysis for the videos with the Google Video Intelligence API. So for the second level, we learned how to do the platform integration. We find it's harder than we expected to do the platform integration. So initially, we plan to use the Vue.js, but we find through practice and tries that Next.js is more suitable for our our project because it has more robust features. So the advantage of the Next.js is has a simplified architectures without like separate back end server, so that it can enhance the scalability and maintainability. Also, it integrates Tailwind CSS for the styling, so that make it easier for us to manage the styling stuff. And the other stuff is that the CI/CD pipeline provided by the Vercel will automatically build and deploy our code whenever the changes are committed. So this integration ensures that our updates are smooth and consistent. For the third level learning skill that we learned is about the trend recognition. So at first, the platform that we majorly refer to initially is the video highlight platform. And then in the latter stage of our development, we noticed that this platform just integrated the chatbox functionality, which is an enhancement that closely aligned with our envisioned features. So this parallel development kind of like reaffirm the growing demand of the online video analysis tools, and also it's kind of represent a trend towards an interactive video content platform. And this is what we are heading to. So our future work, definitely first one is to refine our platform, specifically the one that we want to focus on is to refine our subtitle features. So our current challenge is that it's very difficult to capture the subtitles in very short video clips. So our goal is to refine the subtitle feature so that we can have an accurate and consistent display, regardless of the video segment length. And there's certainly a lot of other user interface stuff we can improve, and the latency for upload and process videos, we also can improve that. And the second thing is that we want to develop a shareable link for the video segment. So we want to have this new feature. So we want to like have a feature allow the learners to generate a shareable link for the highlight video section. And then we can embed this link into any digital notebook such as like Notion and OneNote. The benefit for this is it will give it easy access for the review of the key video segments, and this will definitely enhance the learning and the revision process. And that's pretty much it for our projects. Thanks for watching.